Title: 17 Secrets to Earning Money. Introduction. Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the 17 secrets to earning money. If you've ever wondered how successful people manage to accumulate wealth, then this video is for you. Stick around until the end because these secrets can help you too. Body. Define your goals. It's important to know what you want to achieve in life, so set realistic and specific goals for yourself. Take action, don't just dream about it, take action towards achieving your goals. Invest in yourself, attend workshops, read books, and acquire new skills to improve yourself. Surround yourself with successful people, learn from successful people and apply their techniques to your life. Manage your time wisely. Time is precious, so make the most of it by managing it wisely. Be persistent, don't give up easily, keep pushing towards your goals. Save money. Save a portion of your income to build your wealth. Start a side hustle, take on a side job or start a business to increase your income. Learn to negotiate for better wages or prices to maximize your earnings. Avoid debt, avoid unnecessary debt and pay off any debt you have as quickly as possible. Embrace failure, don't be afraid to fail, it's a learning opportunity. Stay focused on your goals and avoid distractions that can hinder your progress. Keep learning and acquiring new skills to stay ahead of the game. Be patient, earning money takes time, so be patient and persistent. Take calculated risks to increase your income and wealth. Give back, donate to charity or volunteer your time to help others. Be grateful, appreciate what you have and focus on the positive things in your life. Conclusion. So, there you have it, 17 secrets to earning money. Implement these tips in your life and watch your financial situation improve. Remember, it takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. Thanks for watching.